As this pandemic plays out, we want you to know that we're here to assist you along the way if you have any questions or concerns about making your mortgage payments during this time of uncertainty. Today, I'm going to take you through some of the most frequently asked questions we've been getting when it comes to your mortgage and the relief options available. Let's get started. Question 1. I'm having difficulty making payments to my mortgage due to the national COVID-19 emergency. What are some relief options that you're offering? As a servicer of loans backed by the federal government, which includes FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac loans, and in accordance with provisions of the recently passed CARES Act, if you're experiencing a hardship related to the coronavirus pandemic, we're permitted to allow you to temporarily suspend your mortgage payments. This is known as a forbearance. In a nutshell, a forbearance provides you an opportunity to pause your mortgage payment for a set period of time. Question 2. What do I need to know about forbearance? First, let me start by saying that during a forbearance, no payments are expected. There will be no late charges assessed to your account, and negative credit reporting is suppressed. The purpose of a forbearance is to offer you temporary relief by suspending your payments for a set period of time that will allow you to get through this crisis. However, it's important to understand that once the forbearance period ends, the total amount of all outstanding monthly mortgage payments that were suspended during the forbearance period, as well as any previously delinquent amounts, will become due and the credit reporting will resume. For example, let's say your monthly mortgage payment is $1,000 a month, and that would include principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. If you choose to enter a 90-day forbearance plan, you won't owe the $1,000 for the next 3 months. But at the end of the 90-day plan, you'll owe $3,000 or $1,000 a month for 3 months to become current again. This can result in payment shock for some, which is why, as your servicer, we will remain in contact with you during your forbearance period to discuss your unique situation, including what options are available to you at the end of your forbearance term. Question 3. Why am I only being offered a 90-day forbearance? I'm hearing I can get one for up to a year. While it is true that forbearances can be offered for up to 180 days and extended out for another 180 days if needed, it's important to understand that a forbearance effectively kicks your payments down the road. When the forbearance period ends, you're obligated to deliver all of the missed payments in addition to the current payment in one lump sum. The longer the forbearance period, the more missed payments you'll have to repay, which means a larger sum that will become due all at once. This can create a tremendous financial burden for some. That's why we believe that the best way to manage the program is to start with a 90-day forbearance period, which provides our customers with immediate payment relief to address the financial impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. As the initial 90-day relief period comes to a close, together we can work to assess your financial situation and determine which of the available post-forbearance options is best to help you get back on track. What are my current options for after the 90-day forbearance plan? Before the end of your forbearance period, we'll work together with you to determine what will be the appropriate next steps based on your unique situation. We ask that you please contact us 30 days prior to the end of your forbearance plan, which will give us time to work with you to reassess your situation and helps us determine your eligibility for additional relief options. Some of those options include, first, a reinstatement of your mortgage. This is where you make up any missed payments in one lump sum to bring your account current and continue to make regular on-time payments from there. While this is the best option, we understand that not everyone will be able to do this. A second option is a repayment plan. This is where you work to bring your loan current over time by making monthly payments that are in excess of your regular contractual payment amount. A third option is an extension of your forbearance period. If your situation has not changed or is still unstable, we can look to extend your forbearance another 90 days. But remember, any payments that are suspended during forbearance will still be due at the end of the forbearance period. Another option is a loan modification. This is where we modify the terms of the note to help you get current and potentially provide for a lower monthly payment going forward. In order to take advantage of this option, you'll have to submit a full mortgage assistance application package for review. Each of these options has their pros and cons and may have additional eligibility qualification requirements. That's why it's important that we stay in contact with you throughout the term of your forbearance period. So at the end, we can work together to determine the option that's best for you. Question 5. I'm hearing a lot in the news about mortgage forgiveness and payment deferrals. Is that an option for me? Unfortunately, there's been a lot of misinformation during this current situation about what servicers can or should be doing to help people impacted by COVID-19. Politicians, the media, and maybe even some of your neighbors or friends are talking about pushing missed payments to the end of the loan, also known as a deferral, or they might even be talking about outright payment forgiveness. Unfortunately, for the vast majority of homeowners, these programs are not available. As a servicer of loans backed by the federal government, including FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac, we're contractually obligated to follow guidance set forth by the agency or investor which insures your loan. Not all agencies have deferral options available to assist today. However, we know that our agency partners are hard at work to put out guidance in response to COVID-19. We anticipate additional relief options will be made available in the future. As soon as we are aware of additional relief options, we will be sure to communicate those options to you. Question 6. What can I expect during the forbearance period? During your forbearance period, no payments are expected. There will be no late charges assessed to your account. Negative credit reporting will be suppressed, and you will continue to receive your monthly billing statement. Also, we'll be in contact with you periodically to discuss your specific situation, including what options are available to you at the end of your forbearance period. If you have any questions during your forbearance, please contact us. We're here to help you. Question 7. Can I make payments during my forbearance period? Yes, you can make payments during your forbearance, and we encourage you to do so if you're able. Even if you can't make your full monthly payment, partial payments will be accepted during forbearance plans. It's important to remember that the forbearance plan is intended for temporary hardship and is not intended for long-term relief. Once the forbearance plan expires, the total amount of all outstanding monthly mortgage payments that were suspended during the forbearance plan, as well as any previously delinquent amounts, will become due. So if you can pay even part of your monthly mortgage obligation during the forbearance plan, we encourage you to do that. Question 8. If my situation changes, can I cancel my plan before the forbearance period ends? Yes, you can cancel your forbearance plan at any time. Should your financial situation improve prior to the end of your forbearance period and you're able to resume making your monthly payments, we can stop your forbearance plan and work with you on options to get you back on track. Question 9. How will forbearance impact my credit? Through the duration of your forbearance plan, we will not assess any late charges to your account, and negative credit reporting will be suppressed, but only for the duration of the plan. Once your forbearance plan ends, we will resume regular credit reporting. Each credit bureau leverages their own algorithms to determine how to score your credit. And although negative credit reporting is suppressed during the forbearance plan, meaning that we will not report that a payment was skipped during the plan, it's possible that a credit agency may assess your credit differently in the absence of such reporting. If you have questions about how credit bureaus measure credit scores, we encourage you to contact them directly. Question 10. Will this impact my ability to refinance in the future? Remember, while you're on a forbearance plan, we will not negatively report your credit. It's possible that some lenders or loan products may restrict refinancing if you've recently been on a forbearance plan, or that they may view a forbearance plan as a derogatory credit event. If you have questions, we suggest that you speak with your mortgage lender or a licensed mortgage loan originator regarding your ability to refinance. Question 11. How do I avoid forbearance scams? Unfortunately, scammers are out there in times like this. What you should know is that we will never ask you for your personal information through an email or a text message. If we reach out to you, we won't ask for confidential information such as your name, password, personal identification or PIN number, or other account information. We encourage you to be aware of loss mitigation and foreclosure rescue scams. If you see or hear something that doesn't sound right, please contact us directly to inquire. We recognize that these are uncertain times. Please know that we're here for you from the comfort of our own homes, working tirelessly to ensure the continued support of our borrowers. In times like these, it's more important than ever that we stay connected with friends, with family, and with your mortgage servicer too. As always, we will continue to be there for you and your loved ones to help in any way we can. Thank you for your time, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about your mortgage. Remember, we're in this together.